am so excited about our collaboration this month with Lanu's Pots. The artwork that she came up for us for this line, this collection, has just been, it's adorable, and we've had such great response to it. When I initially reached out to her, I said I wanted some gnomes, I kind of wanted a winter scene, and create a few little friends that they can have with them. And she did that and so much more. And then we took all of those pieces, and Jamie just meshed them beautifully with our style. And I'm so excited. So honestly, if I wanted to show you my favorites this month, I'd just be showing you unboxing of all of the kits. But I want to keep this short, and I want to just kind of highlight a few of my super favorites and maybe a couple new things that we have this month. So we did offer, aside from our normal collection, we had offered a pre-order of a Christmas kit, and that has shipped out, is shipping out. I think there's a few stragglers we're still getting out at the moment. There was a couple of things that were kind of special in that kit that I wanted to show you. So again, this is from the Christmas kit, which is a separate order from the other collection, the rest of the collection that we normally have. So we have this cute little magnetic bookmark, the little gnome with the present. So we have that was in the Christmas kit. And then the stamp set, and this was really adorable because it had some of the little characters, and then it had your days. So if you're doing any sort of document, your December type of booklet, this would be great with that, because you can stamp these little numbers either in the wreath or in the little Christmas bulb. So that's a cute way to use those. So that little stamp set. And then our sticker book. We did one of these back in August, I think it was. And so we brought it back for this Christmas kit. And it has her adorable artwork on here, the little gnomes and the trees, and then there's the little birdie. And then it has all of the pages to hold your stickers inside. So those were a couple of the items that were in the Christmas planner add-on kit that we had done a pre-order for. And then, oh man, all of it. So the dashboard sets that we did, and these, Leah designed these for us, and again, using that great art, and they turned out adorable. And one thing I wanted to point out, in our December kits, we never make them overtly holiday or Christmas themed. There might be a few little touches here and there, but most of the time we keep it more seasonal, or just more about the actual month of December and the things that happen. You always have winter break for the kids and those sorts of things. But we do have a couple of little things that kind of lean toward your Christmas. So those were the dashboards. I love those. And then the papers. So I wanted to show you just a couple of the papers. And this is a mix of some of the papers that were in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit and the Pocket Kit, and then some of our larger papers that were in the Planner Kit. And this one in particular, actually that's my favorite, is the plaid. I absolutely love that green plaid. In the Planner Kit, and again, these are the larger size, so that you can wrap your Dory booklet with these. But it's the little gnomes, and if you wanted to, you could even, if you were really good at fussy cutting, you could fussy cut all these little guys out. And then this one, which makes me think of a sweater. So I think that one was really cute. Those were a couple of my favorite papers. And then we had these beautiful, delicate vellum snowflakes. And they're a little iridescent, so it's probably kind of hard for you to see on the camera there, but they're iridescent, but they're so pretty. And these came in the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit, as well as the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. And I used them, so I'm going to segue here. I used them in my Simple Dory on this layout of our little puppy dog Blue, and you can see where I used a couple of the snowflakes on here, as well as the pretty silk ribbon that was in the kit. And this layout, so if you're new to our Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit, which is a long mouthful to say, but if you're new to that, we don't just send you the supplies in that kit. I also include an instruction sheet. It's already printed out. You don't have to download it. It's already printed out. and it will give instructions step by step for 2 layouts. So that's the one that you just saw, a little blue, and then this other one, which is a picture of my boys and I, our first Christmas here, and then you'll get a sketch as well. And then there's hints in there and little tips and tricks along the way of different ways to use design elements and so on your layout. So it's a great way to show you how to use the product that comes in the kit, as well as just kind of giving you a jumping off point. So if you're kind of stuck or you're new to using a traveler's notebook for your memory keeping, it's a great little bonus that comes in that kit. So those were the snowflakes. And then this, I loved these. I've been wanting to do these for a while, and I figured kind of a winter snow theme was the perfect time to do them. There's these beautiful kind of swirled little stickers, and they have a real fine bit of a glitter on them. So it's hard to see until you actually have them in your hand and you look at them. And the glitter, it doesn't come off and go everywhere. So you're not gonna be like covered in glitter when you use these. So it's a very subtle little glittery sheen. And these can just be used to decorate anything. You can cut them apart, you can use pieces. So these are really fun. And these were also in the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit and the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. Something that was specific to the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit, I wanted to point out again just a couple of the cards. So we had one that was a Christmas card, but I just thought that Jamie did such a beautiful job with the designing of the font and the lettering and the coloring. That's one of my favorites. But then we also have just as I mentioned, just more your general seasonal type of icons and so on. So we just have one that says December. We have a pretty notation about here's to December, a month celebrating how far we've come and reflecting on all we have. Sorry, I can't do that from the side. And then the hot cocoa. So there's always some that are and then there's some that are also nice and plain, so you can do all your own journaling and you can layer those as well. So those are the pocket cards from the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. And then something else. Okay, our sticker kits. And I wanted to talk about this as well. So we have a Daisy Weeks sticker kit, which is geared more toward using in your weeks, your Hobonichi Weeks planner. Those are sized for that. We have the Memory Keeping sticker kit. These work, I use these in my large Happy Planner. And then we have, but these can actually be used just kind of any of your memory keeping in any way that you want to use these. You can also use them in the planner, in your planners as well. So I kind of cross over. And then a planner sticker kit. These are geared, again, you can kind of use them in anything, but the box sizes on this are geared more toward like an Erin Condren type of system. But again, you've got your washi. These can be used with anything. But we have, coming out in January, we have a classic sticker kit. And the classic sticker kit, the boxes are geared toward a Happy Planner classic size. So the boxes will fit in that. And that will be, so we'll be offering 4 sticker kits. And that one will be, that will have 7 sheets of stickers as opposed to 6, because we're gonna include an extra sheet of box stickers in that one. So that is those. Okay, I wanted to mention this adorable little set of stickers. This was our little freebie that we sent out to all of our subscribers. Thank you, because we appreciate you all so much and we want you to get a little surprise every month. So if you subscribe to anything, you will get this in your box, or you would have gotten this in your December box. We have something new coming up for January. So every month we do a little something different, and it's a complete surprise. But this little sticker sheet with that, again, the adorable artwork from Lunu is on there. There is that. And then these are new. And I wanted to point these out, and I don't know if you can see that, so I'm gonna move that aside. So on any of your pages, whether you use ring bound or Dory booklet, a lot of times you want to have little tabs. And these stickers, I wanted tabs. I've been doing this for a while, and I usually will punch or I'll cut out and I'll make shapes and make the tabs. I'm like, well, that's silly. I just want stickers made. So I had stickers made. And again, with that adorable artwork. And so what you get is you get this sheet, and they just, they're mirror images, so you can create a tab with those. Most of them are geared for along the edge, but there are a few that you can use that would work on the top. Like the little lantern folds over on the top, and the little log one you could put along the top of your pages as well. So that's something new, and I know we have it in upcoming kits as well. So this is something we want to continue doing, because these were a fun new thing a lot of people were excited about. So we're going to continue to do those. And then a couple of the fun clips we have this adorable little bunny, this embroidery clip of the little bunny with the little beanie hat. And that was in the main planner kit. And our little Nomi with his mushroom, and he was in the planner add-on. Again, there was just the artwork, I couldn't stop using it. So in fact, we even put him on the washi. So we've got this adorable little gnome washi tape where all the little guys are just kind of hanging out. So, and that was in the main planner kit. And then the little, it's another, like I said, I could show you everything because I think everything was my favorite. But we've done this design before for the sticky notes, and I go back to it quite often just because it's so useful. I like our sticky notes to be pretty, but I want them to really have a good use and be useful. So this one has the little things to do with the squares, and it has those little guys on the log, the little bird and the tiny little gnome. So that was in the main planner kit. And then also in the main planner kit was one of our notepad holders. And this has the little Nomi and the bird with I call it the Cousin Eddie hat. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be called, but if you've watched Christmas Vacation, you know what I mean by that. So, and then on the back it has the cute little bunny with the earmuffs on. I think somewhere we have him in headphones too, but this one he has the little earmuffs on. And then what these are, if you're new to CocoaDaisy, this is a notepad holder. Now some people have turned this into it will hold like a mini Dory booklet, and they've just kind of restructured, and I know we've got little video tutorials on that, don't we, Lydia? Lydia's standing right back there. I'm talking to Lydia. So she's helping me. And I know we've got some little video tutorials on how to do that, but it is actually meant to hold the little notepad that comes in the main planner kit. It's got a little pocket on the side and then a pen holder. And the pen, well, I've got that there. So I love this because I just always throw this right in my purse. So then I've got something to write down notes or keep my grocery list on. So the pen this month was so pretty. It's got these pretty blue crystals in the middle and almost kind of like a winter sky effect on it. So that was the pen. And the pouch. We cannot not show the pouch. So we have our little deer on one side, and there's been some question as to whether he's giving himself a bath, a facial. We're not sure. Maybe he's into spas. I don't know, but he's adorable. So he's got the little towel over him. And then on the other side, we have our little Nomi carrying the pine cone. So, and that is the pouch for this month. So it's so cute. And then I wanted to mention, did I go through? Oh, no, I got two things. Almost not everything. Okay, I wanted to mention the packaging. So every month we try and add stuff to the packaging so that you can reuse this and it doesn't just get thrown away. So before you throw away your packaging, make sure you take a look at it because there's more of the adorable artwork that we included on the packaging for these. In fact, there's even a little bunny. Let me get this out because this little clip was in the, do you remember? I don't remember what was the clip. I think it was the classified, right? Yeah. She's shaking. She doesn't want to talk on film, so she's just shaking her head. So I'm going to embarrass her. So there's our little bunny, which is adorable. So I'm going to fussy cut him out and use him. So make sure you check your packaging before you throw it away. These little guys, because I wanted to give you a few ideas for these. These are fun. So these are circles, and they are in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. And I don't want to throw these all over. So there's blue. Can you see that? Am I holding it right? There's blue and black and red. And there's a lot of different ways that you can use these. So if you look back at my one layout, so there was a stamp set that was included with the kit, and some of the sayings will actually fit right in that little circle. My intent is to kind of use this booklet as a Document December booklet, and I thought it would be fun in a number of spots to use those as tabs along the edge of each page, and on some of them put numbers for the dates for because you're documenting your whole December. So that's kind of my thought behind including those, is that you could use them as little tabs on the side. You can stamp in them. You could actually, if you wanted to, you could decorate a page with them and punch some patterned paper to fit in the middle of them and use them as a design element as well. So that was those. And then I wanted to, because I know some of you are going to ask me about my cute little Nomi mug. So this little guy is from Pottery Barn, and I had to get him because he matched. And the fun thing is, I got an extra one. So for our giveaway in December, we're gonna give away one of these mugs with some December goodies. So be watching for that. So I think I got everything. Yep, I did. Okay, cool. I got everything. And thank you all so much for the wonderful response and the wonderful comments about this collaboration that we did. I'm so excited. And yes, we will definitely have her collaborate with us again. I can't tell you when, but we will, because it's just been so much fun, and her work is amazing. So if you have any questions about any of the products, post it below and I can expand on anything that you want. And I will see you next month.